What's going on, guys? So we're out here at the Fortunato open house. They've done it forever, since I had my Evo. So I'm gonna walk around, show you guys some of the cars, probably talk to people like always. Start walking down. So they used to have the old building up here. Now they moved to a lot bigger building. So like I said, we're gonna go walk around. A lot of people I know, so I'm gonna talk to everybody. This guy just makes appearances in every one of my videos.
I know.
Look, I told you guys I was gonna be talking to everybody. What's up? Oh, that was awkward. Oh, wait, you make like a turkey? Like, no, the other way. Come on, put your hand out. Oh, that's real awkward. That's like, dude, that's like, look at this. Look, see, look.
Not the turkey.
Look.
No.
All right, big time change of plans. I'm in RJ's vet, and it is a C7z that I want to buy in the worst way. Z06. You see my Crocs down there. This is bad. This is so bad. I should have never done this. This car is so sick. I wish I could pull out all those traffic. We're not going to say how fast I just went in the Corvette, but it was very fast up into the speed limit. That's what I need.
Lex?
Fuck. Oh, man. Yo, where's the Cobra at?
It's still in shop. We're getting closer and closer to getting it done.
Dude, I'm so jealous of that car. When you got it, I was pissed, because I wanted one.
I wanted one a long time. Oh, God.
Why they automatically putting hands up? I don't get it.
That's fucking funny.
Oh, you strong this morning.
I know. I got
had that coffee and his Wheaties.
Oh, yeah, a Tesla is kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie.
Actually, it is.
So I just drove RJ's fucking vet.
Feel good?
Yeah, I messed up.
It's different. He's out messed up.
Look,
It's so
the plug.
quiet. They so
You see the
quiet,
license
it's
plate?
freezing. You hear the cam in that bitch?
Oh, you hear his tires. I rode Knowles the other day. It's just like. Oh, you hear his tires.
Is it silver?
Caleb? It's white. It's just like that one. That's a sick color.
Yep.
Slide by you. Appreciate it, man. So what are you doing in the Cobra? Where'd you go? What are you doing in the Cobra?
Rebuilding everything basically except for turning the block out.
And
All
there's
new
that.
gaskets, long tube headers. I bought those.
Dude, when I used to see it, like, is that your mom's house?
Yeah.
I used to see it sitting where she parks the bus. I used to
Yeah.
get so pissed every time I'd see it. Because I wanted it so bad. Where'd you find it at?
I went to High and Auto.
Oh, I was just going to ask you that.
Yeah, so never.
Oh, really?
Yeah, paid a lot of money for it. Car that needs this much money to fix.
I've always heard some questionable things about, you know, going there and why they got so many of them. And
Yeah,
stuff.
they're high.
Doesn't surprise me. I gotta pick somebody to be like real awkward with. Watch. Tell Skylar to give me a motivational quote of the day. I just always pick the most awkward person and like, all right, say something.
I just changed my
All right, Ricky, motivational quote of the day.
I ain't got none.
Oh, the one guy. The one guy. I
got a quote.
All right.
Life is like a sandwich. No matter which way you stack it, the bread always comes first.
Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
There you go.
Of all the people that talk, I figured Ricky would have something. Right. Jay's car. Dude, it's so sick. He has like an actual shop now, doesn't he?
Right across the street.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's nice.
I dropped my valve covers off so just doing the powder coat.
I need to see if he can ceramic coat stuff.
Ask him, he's here.
I think he can. I haven't seen him. I know he's here. Huh?
So where's the goober at? I can't see him.
I know. I saw him somewhere. I just saw him like, I see his, was that 4Runner down there? It's always one of the cars I've always wanted. Dang, that thing's wild looking.
Yeah, right hand drive too.
Yeah, that's sick. That's sick. We can walk inside, can't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's walk inside. That's a wild looking. Yes. Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
Red light.
We'll go this way. Yeah, why not? Now, speaking of the devil, I just looked at Carlos's car. He's always drinking a bang. It's like any type of energy drink. The dude's always got it in his hand. Is that what, when you have a baby, is that what happens? Yeah, yeah.
I was definitely thinking about picking up the radio bagger.
Couple CNC machines as I kick your foot. All right, guys, just gonna wrap it up. I don't stay anywhere too long, but it's gonna wrap up the Fortune Auto video. It's a good day. It started raining a little bit, but it's cleared up a lot. It's good catching with a lot of people. I don't get out, I feel like I used to, but hope you guys enjoy it. And as always, like, subscribe. If you want to, leave a nice comment. See you guys later. Bye.